The City of Oak Ridge is repurposing a portion of the existing Oak Ridge Civic Center into a conference hall, and therefore seeks upgrades to the civil infrastructure supporting the facility. The Civic Center, library, and conference hall are joined by a central plaza that has poor accessibility, an unsafe water feature, and deteriorated concrete pavement. To accommodate the increased flow of people in the plaza during conferences, the area requires increased parking, improved ease of access, and an upgraded stormwater system. Our team, designed by Vols, has partnered with City of Oak Ridge Representative John Hetrick and received mentorship from Brad Salisbury of Design Innovation Architects to assist with this process.
Hello, I'm Garrett Overholt, and my responsibilities for this project are the revised plaza layout and grading plans, as well as pavement calculations for all site asphalt and concrete. One challenge I faced was making sure all pedestrian spaces adhere to all ADA guidelines. This updated plaza will be a functional and useful space for patrons at the library and the newly updated Civic Center. The project taught me not only to meet city and ADA requirements, but to put myself in the end user's shoes, especially when working in public spaces.
Hi, my name is John Ogle, and I was responsible for this project's transportation services. My work included parking lot design, permeable paver design, and site signage plan. One of the challenges I faced in working on this project was determining the required parking for the site. To find an approximate value, I used the IT's parking generation manual to find equations for the site facility's parking demand. Increasing the quantity of parking provided significant value to the City of Oak Ridge, allowing the site to accommodate large conferences and serve as a more effective social hub for the community. The senior design project has taught me about specific considerations you need to have when designing a project, as it goes much deeper than just using city code.
My name is Mike Patrick, and I oversaw the water resources design. The stormwater conveyance system was evaluated by calculating runoff volumes using the rational method. Drainage efficiency was assessed by calculating critical and normal depths for the existing storm drain pipe diameters, and a potable water supply line was added for an outdoor drinking water station, drip irrigation, and water fountain. Sizes were calculated using Agnes equations.
Hi, my name is Agnes, and I was responsible for the fountain design, specifically the hydraulics and pipe network. I sized the pump using Bernoulli for the selected earth, then I sized the gravity flow drain. I used the existing pit to hold resized pipes for water inflow and outflow into the storage tank and pump to ensure proper recirculation. I also selected and assessed various control mechanisms.
Hi, my name is Bilodeau, and I was responsible for the project's construction and engineering services. My work consisted of a detailed cost analysis based on a project schedule and a life cycle analysis. One challenge I faced was keeping the budget low for the City of Oak Ridge, ensuring it was affordable. I was able to choose the necessary materials to keep the project right under $1.5 million. The schedule ensures the project will be finished within 100 days, roughly 3.5 months. This project taught me how difficult it can be to present a project on a budget with the intent of finishing the construction as quickly as possible.